Alright, Seabird, the hedgehog, I can help you do the Toy Bonnie voice. Alright, I'm just gonna do the whole rest. I'm Louis in the mute. Alright, let's get it. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go.
Hey Bonnie, do you know our boys are going to be like me?
I don't know about you, but I think the girl is just gonna be like me.
I don't know. Well, we just gotta wait until the babies come.
Our kids are gonna be just to be cute, just like us.
Do you want to feel the baby kick?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my gosh, I think the baby are kicking.
Seabird the hedgehog, I got your back. I'm your eyes and ears. Just follow my lead. Eyes on me. You got that? Eyes on me.